dinner is ready. Squash, acorn squash, and pasta mixed with turkey burger. Hello everyone. Going to make some sauteed turkey burger with onions and also cook up about a cup of pasta. Grab my knife and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. First thing I'm going to do is cut some thin slices of onion. Also turn the burner on. Like that. Put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the frying pan. And add the onion. Using a cast iron pan. Been using one for a very long time. And I just like the way they work. Open this package, but not all the way. And then I'm going to also start the water for the pasta. What the plan is to saute up the turkey burger, which is 85% lean, 15% fat. Get these all boiled up. It takes about 8 minutes after the water boils. And then mix it all together and put in pesto sauce, basil pesto, and mix it all up. So we'll see how that goes. So this is coming up to speed. Those are going to saute nicely. And once I'm ready to put this in, I'll get back to you. Okay, so the onions are just about done. You can see that they're just starting to caramelize. I'm going to take turkey burger and just drop it in. I'm going to break it up. About like that. Take some garlic, put that in there, grab some oregano, drop that in there. I'll let that cook for a little bit. Pasta water is getting close to being done. So I'll take turkey burgers getting there. I'm cooking this on a medium heat. The hard part about cooking is the in-between time. It seems like you're always in between. You're waiting for the water to boil. You're waiting to turn the turkey burger, flip it around a little bit so it cooks evenly. Just wait. Okay, so the water's boiling. So we'll dump these in. Grab a wooden spoon. These are gluten-free pasta. Give this a stir while I'm at it. Okay, so in 8 minutes the pasta should be done. The turkey burger should be done. And our vegetables should be done. Okay, I'm going to turn the turkey burger down to low because it's almost done. That'll let the pan cool just a little bit. And we got about 5 minutes on the pasta. The thing about the pasta is that it doubles in size. So you need to pay attention to how much you're putting in the pot because you can wind up way too much. Couple plates. They're done early. After rinsing, okay, I'll take the pasta and dump it in there. And mix this up a little bit. Could use a little bit more pasta, maybe not. Okay, well that is just sort of blending together. I'm going to take the squash out of the oven. These are nicely done. As you can see, nice and soft all the way to the bottom. This is a mix of butter and brown sugar. My delightful wife likes this, so I make it for her. Okay, now we'll take the pesto sauce. Three teaspoons. I hope that's enough. And we'll mix that round and round she goes. That looks good. Okay. And just like that, we have a nice dinner. That bowl's not big enough. I needed a larger bowl because what's left in the pan won't fit in the small bowl. This will probably be lunch later in the week. Bingo. Dinner is ready. Squash, acorn squash, and pasta mixed with turkey burger. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Leave me a thumbs up and a like, or leave me a comment. I appreciate seeing all of them. Thank you for watching.